Welcome friends. We know that the essay coronavirus is very important for your exam point of view. So keeping that in mind, we have written a complete essay on coronavirus. In this essay, we have covered all the important aspects or important points about coronavirus. From introduction, origin to vaccine development, coronavirus effect on environment and conclusion. And if you find this video helpful to you, like this video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel Odia Catalyst. So without much delay, let's start the essay. Coronavirus. Introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic is among the deadliest infectious disease to have merged in our recent history. A few months ago, we would not have imagined that there would be a time when we would be imprisoned in our homes, schools and colleges would be closed for a long term, online education would be provided, without mask we will not able to roam anywhere, not able to meet anyone, but COVID-19 made this true. Today, COVID-19 changed our lives, habits and routines to a great extent. Now, using of masks, sanitizers, washing hands time to time has become an essential part of our daily routine. Origin. As the virus disrupted the lives of billions around the world, so two questions continuously coming to mind, that where did the virus come from and how did it find its way into humans? The virus that causes COVID-19 is in a family of viruses called coronaviridie. The virus is named after its shape, which takes the form of a crown with protrusions around it, and hence it is known as coronavirus, and the disease caused by this virus is called as COVID-19, means coronavirus disease 2019. The COVID-19 outbreak is first revealed in late of December 2019 in Wuhan city in China. Some researchers have shown that this virus has been transmitted from bats to humans. Still, further researches are going on about the origin of this virus. Spread. COVID-19 is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which spreads between people mainly when an infected person is in a close contact with another person. The virus can spread through an infected person's mouth or nose in small liquid particles when they cough, sneeze, speak or breathe heavily. Recent research evaluated the survival of the COVID-19 virus can remain viable for 72 hours on plastic and stainless steel, up to 4 hours on copper and 24 hours on cupboard. The virus can live in the air for up to 3 hours and get into the lungs of human body. It is more likely to happen when people are in direct or close contact with an infected person. Common signs of infection include fever, dry cough, and breathing difficulties. Besides these, fatigue, sore throat, muscle pain, loss of taste or smell can also be seen in the patient of COVID-19. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, We should clean our hands often using soap and water or an alcohol based sanitizer. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing, and we should wear a mask as far as possible. Lockdown steps. The government implemented lockdown with full plan. All places like temples, cinema halls, sport clubs, gyms, shopping malls, educational institutions, hotels, offices were closed so that people would not come in contact with each other. Railway services, flight services, and passenger transport were also suspended for a short time in lockdown so that there was not that much movement. During lockdown, government announced a rupees of 2 lakh crore relief package to take care the poor, workers and those who need immediate help in this pandemic. Under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan scheme, help was also provided to 80 crore poor people with cash transfer and food security. 8 crore of gas cylinders, 5 kg of rice and wheat have been provided to the doorsteps of the poor free of cost. Government launched Arogya Setu app which helps in finding out about the corona positive people around us and educate people about COVID-19. The government also provided medical insurance cover of 50 lakh to those at the front line to fight against the virus. This includes doctors, nurses, paramedical staffs, support staffs, etc. We called these people as Corona warriors. Vaccine development. Vaccination is a simple, safe, and effective way of promoting people against harmful diseases. Amidst the growing infection of the coronavirus, everyone is eagerly waiting for its vaccine. Right now, 8 vaccines are in trial stages in India, out of which 3 are indigenous ones, and when the vaccine will be ready, healthcare and frontline workers and senior citizens will be given priority. Today, our country is just a step away from success in the vaccine race. It is expected that the year 2021 will be the success year for vaccine. Globally, UK is the first country in the world whose Pfizer Biotech COVID-19 vaccine is approved first. The government is developing a comprehensive vaccination strategy, and today the world is looking towards India for the development of a safe and affordable vaccine. Right now, India's vaccine named Covaxin has begun the phase 3 trial. After the proper development of COVID-19 vaccine, the whole world will breathe a sigh of relief. Post-COVID environment. Due to lockdown and quarantine, restricted human interaction with the nature during this pandemic time has appeared as a blessing for nature and environment. Reports from all over the world are indicating that after the outbreak of COVID-19, environmental conditions including air quality and water quality in rivers are improving and blooming. Countries like India, America, China have always been a hub of pollution. With huge population, heavy traffics and pollution in industries leading to high air quality index. But the implementation of lockdown by the government of various countries forced people to stay in their homes, which would down the movement of people from one place to another and significantly reduced the industrial and commercial activities. Therefore, the worldwide spread of COVID 19 in a quite short time has brought a dramatic decrease in industrial activities, road traffic, and tourism. Also, many beaches around the world got cleaned off and the animals were seen back in the cities. Conclusion: COVID 19 took a lot from us and taught us many lessons too. Due to COVID 19, people lost their loved ones, many people lost their jobs, poor people became even more poorer, country's economy was also badly affected. This pandemic taught us that we should not play with our nature and ecosystem. In simple words, COVID 19 teaches us that if we take right steps to keep our environment safe, we can prevent the destruction of the planet, and our health is directly linked to the environment. Thank you.